Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome to the 28th of November, Thursday, the 28th of November. So I'm out by the Morant Urban Center right now, and if you look behind me, you can see that they're actually digging up back section of the road because of faulty material, just as out by Palm and Seafood. So they dig up about say 800 or 1500 meters of bad material out on one side of the road. I'm not sure if they will be doing both sides, but as you can see, the side coming from Morant Bay that we're supposed to be driving on, that is the side they actually dug up. I'm just showing you that actually faulty material was used out this section also. So they come back now and trying to fix the problem just like out by Pamphric and Seafood. So that's where I am right now, out by the Morant Urban Center. That's all that section I am right now. Behind me, you can see that the Morant Urban Center is looking good, looking ready for the finishing touch to be on. Yes, and remember that they said it will be open by it will be finished by January 25. Not open but finished. Actually, the building will be finished and handed over by January 2025. Wonderful Thursday afternoon. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. If I didn't say it's raining cats and dogs, no, it's an overcast condition in St. Thomas right now, and I think other parish also. But today, I'm out going to show you out by the Springfield area where they have the urban center. So see the urban center over there, and this is the road now. And as you can see, they actually digging up back a section of the road because as you can see, it's the same dirt material that was used out here. So they're out here now trying to correct this section. So then digging up the whole section just at across the Bustamante Bridge from the runabout heading into the Johnathan area. So I'm just going to show you that work out here on this section of work going on right now. Remember, the urban center is on the other side. Right? And you can see that they actually put it down paint on more of the buildings over there. See it? Come on, so we're out again today, getting this update to show you exactly what they're out doing. And S&G did this section, and so they're out there now trying to correct the fault. Yes, so you know the happenings that taking place after be outside getting the updates to give to you, my viewers and my subscribers. Remember now, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe now so you can get all the latest updates as them come in. Hit the post notification bell as soon as subscribe. Share the video also with the friends and enemy. Give the video a thumbs up. Share the video, comment. Yes, man. So we also again getting this update to give to you. You know, people saying that S&G is my favorite local contractor. Yes, they are still my favorite contractor, local contractor, right? Because I like all them do them work. You understand? Yes. Alright, so the Morant Bay Urban Center on that side, and you can see that they actually put in topsoil over there to plant, to do the green area. Right? Palm tree up already. Down more, going to see the palm tree. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So we're out again, getting this little update to give to you. The S&G truck there, and it carried the thing that you use and scrape the road. So they actually use a machine to dig up the whole asphalt off the road. Then they use the tractor now to actually do the other part of the work. Dig up the whole material. So, you understand? Keep it up so you can drive on But I'm going straight down now. You'll see the pave, the ripper. I don't know if it's a ripper then call it, but I call it ripper. To rip up all of the old asphalt off the road. And it's not really all asphalt, it's asphalt that was recently put on. You have to see it here. You can see the quality, the dirt. See it? But this section of the road wasn't bad driving on, but they decided that they use it, so actually it came back now to do the right thing and use the right material. Come on, so basically out here right now showing you exactly the happenings out here. The palm tree them, plant the palm trees them, alright. That's the KFC building right there and start painted. I can look, you can see the dirt over that side, for the top side. So them on the way, they said that it will finish by January of 2025. Yes, I remember now, when it's finished, that don't mean that it's going to be finished and open by January 2025. The buildings will be finished and all the groundwork should be finished by January, right? So the businesses won't be opening. The KFC, the Burger King, the Popeye, the courthouse, the municipal buildings, those won't be open up. But the building structure itself should be done by January. That's what was said. And so we're outside again, getting some updates to give to you. See it here? So you see, the material that was used wasn't of the high quality that should be used. So they actually come back now and dealing with it just like out by Pamphlet and Seafood area. Yeah, so you know you have to out here getting all the updates for you to understand what is taking place. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. You know, I have to delete, remove some comments from some of my videos because some of the people know behave in a way right now, and I'm not going to tolerate certain things from you, right? Yeah, man. If you're a subscriber and you're getting out of order, I'm going to remove your comment and so from my videos. So please, you know the rule, just obey to the rules. Yeah, man, look at the fence here, right? Paint and everything. And this what I'm walking on, where see the sun? This is actually a gully, water running in it, right? A drainage system, right? Water running in it. So then make it and cover it. You understand? A big drainage system can carry a large volume of water. Alright? Come on, so see the pave, see the thing going here now, ripping up the material. Then the organize, you know. Come on. Remember the Morant Urban Center, look at the palm tree them carry them come here, so I think it was last week one day them carry them and plant them. Right? So it's not all in them plant and grow so fast. No. Them carry them from somewhere and put them out here. Yep. Remember, it's a new city in St. Thomas. The Morant Urban Center. This is the main entrance, see it here? Alright. So then going down some more for you to see some more of the ripping up that's taking place. Alright, I'm going down there for you to see what they're actually using and what they're actually doing down there. You know the curtain boss always on the ground, getting it to show to you. Look at being pretty, look at place pretty man. Look there, so. Look pretty, look. Just imagine when it open, it'll look pretty. See it? Yes. So I'm going down some more for you to see. So actually, the side of the road that we should be driving on, that's the side that they're actually dealing with right now, taking up all that faulty material that was used. Right? I'm on an S&G out, getting it done again, clearing it up to do it properly, use different material to get the work done better. So we're actually out again, viewers and subscribers. So I'm going down now for you to see what they're actually doing with that light done. And if it's too late, and if it's too late to see it, how it work. Jelly, jelly man gone. Gone to caress. And it's an overcast condition, viewers and subscribers. Overcast condition. Cloud. Nevertheless, we're out same way, getting it done. But like see material, see the thing there, as if they're going away. I'm going down same way still. Uh, on the other side, so I should be able to see how it works. First and experience may I give you, So let's see if I go on the other side now. And it's S&G doing this. Yeah, man. Reverse it. Fast enough. Fine. So what again goes and subscribers. Okay, it's okay. Let's shut, I take up more material. Go back now. Catch it. So remember, this is also the Springfield housing scheme. I remember that house that was right here. Remember the house that was here? Right here. So that house was right here now. I no longer here then take it down because of the use of the space for the road drainage system. No, so this is where I am right now, out by the Springfield side. Go on the pen. Alright, so that truck there now, that truck will reverse now, come get the load. So let's make a go back now and catch some of it for you. See, yeah man, so we're out by the urban center, Springfield side, getting this to show to you that they're actually doing the same thing here that they're actually doing out by Pamphlet or Jamaica stretch out that side right now. Because of the no wood material that they used, them come back now and trying to solve this little problem. Remember, Morant Bay Urban Center, new city in a St. Thomas. Yes. Alright, so we're going up the road again. You can so thick. The asphalt, what was it? It was thick. You see, it was thick. You know, but it just that the faulty material for the base wasn't good. So they actually have to take it up. Yeah, so that is what's happening out here now. Alright, that's how we can catch the work actually taking place with the machine. Alright, see it there? Start up there, so I'm gonna walk this now. Just to show you. I'm not sure how deep down they're going, but you can see over there that they're going deep. So I'm going up there right now. That's where I'm going. Look at the urban center, people. Morant Bay Urban Center, the new city. Alright, see it here. Cover General. Alright, one truck. Well, another truck will come now from the find it? Well, I'm gonna first an experience, first and finish too. Low tech. I want to load and gone. One more come back up now. What is it? Eh? What is it? I know you. In my 360 degree. 360 degree. You know, let's show one good thing we're going away. So see there? See the walkway, driveway, and everything. Right. So this is another entrance also. See it? Entrance and exit. Right. You can see. Right. So it's two gates they will be having, not one. But down there will be the main gate. I think this is not the main gate. There will be one more gate up here also. Right? Yes. And it's asphalt. Big up yourself and an uncle.